Hi, this is a tutorial about how to create a PHP program, which is a news editing machine with PHP code generator. If you go on that site, which is phpcode.hu, let's go through the menu and choose English if you English, and I create this news machine. It's not found because it's waiting to create this. Alright. First of all, let's go to phpMyAdmin, and you must create a news table, but you can do it with PHP generator. And this is news, and news must have a news ID field, but the generator creates automatically, so it will be a news ID field. What's needed? Language, leader, this is a leader text, the message, and for example, oh my god, and a YouTube link, and date, time. It creates the field with this option, which is it makes SQL command to make your database. Okay, and this is the MySQL query. You could add or run with phpMyAdmin. Let's go here and add the SQL button, run this SQL query, and it made a news table. Another thing you must update is the date time. You can change the varchar to date time, and date time hasn't got a length, and save. And the message must have another property, which is not a varchar but a long text, and long text hasn't got a length, so let's delete this value. Alright, and here is news ID, language, leader, message, YouTube link, date time. And language is a good idea to have a default value, which will be English. So if I insert a new value, I write the leader news create. I write a little message, for example, this tutorial is about a PHP program will print news. You could update it, of course, but I don't know the YouTube link because I made this now, but the date time is as a function is now, and I created one. Alright, now you should makes an SQL query from the database, and this creates a table, but another options must create. Let's create this code which prints a table, connect to the database, and write down the fields. First of all, it gives an HTML template using UTF-8 code page to create a new program. Let's select it and create a new file. I usually use Dreamweaver. Let's create, and in source view insert the template I added. The comment this line in the first, title here, this is a news. And if you do an English language news, it's not a problem, makes a query. Alright, let's submit, and the whole code, it writes down. Let's copy to your body-to-body part and add and delete this part because you haven't got a search. Select from news where language equal English, and that's on. And if you create the connection PHP, it will work. Let's save to news English.php and upload it to the server. Here it is. This is the program, news English.php, and create the connection PHP to the database. I create, but I must rename it some.php. And let's see the second part of this tutorial to continue how it works. Bye bye.